Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can extend your downspout extension. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I have this Flex-A-Spout 55-inch downspout and I want to increase it further so that it can go in my front yard, just to have this area clear. So I have this here already and I have purchased the extension. So what you are going to do, that you see two parts, one big part, one small part, and you see their line cut here, and similarly here also you have cut here. So we are gonna make a cut here and cut here. So I'm gonna cut. You can use a knife or you can also use a scissor and thing like that. So I'm gonna make cuts and then I'm gonna show the next steps. So now the cuts have been made, so I'm now I'm gonna put it inside. Okay, just use slight force, let it go inside. Once it is slightly inside, rotate it clockwise so that it goes inside further. So now you can see that how good it has been extended. So this is the way you can do, guys. This is like just to make sure it goes more than 10 feet away from my basement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.